Locked out of your Zoom account or can't remember your password? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to unlock your Zoom account. Now let's get started. If you've tried logging into your Zoom account and entered an incorrect password too many times, you may find yourself locked out of your account. Luckily, there's an easy solution. First, click Forgot. Then, type in the email address you used to create your Zoom account. Click the text box labeled CAPTCHA code and type in the code you see. Then click Send. Next, check your email inbox for a message from Zoom. Click the link within the email to get to the password reset page. Now you can type in what you'd like your new Zoom password to be. Your password must meet the parameters listed and have at least 8 characters, at least 1 letter, at least 1 number, and include both upper and lowercase characters. Enter your new password in both text boxes to confirm. Then click Save. Once that's done, your Zoom password will be changed and you should be able to access your Zoom account as normal. You'll also receive an email to confirm these changes. If that doesn't work, you'll need to reach out to your Zoom account admin for help. We'll leave a link to instructions for Zoom admins to unlock user accounts in the description box below. That's all it takes to unlock your Zoom account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.